My name is Mark Rubin, and my mind is full of models. In 1985, I was 15, and I decided I would do a global eco project based on my model of energy transfer. I've owned 25 businesses in my life, 17 now, and I can see them in scale models. And the reason this is relevant is because I'm doing an eco project called Project Honeylight, where I'm explaining these models, and I'm explaining them through a regenerative business, the business of the bees. My project consists of a series of phases. One phase is a kid's book I wrote called Honey is Money. I wrote this book with someone named Dan Rome, who is the illustrator. And this book explains the secrets of the bees and the wisdom of the bees that I learned from watching them in my backyard in the summer of 2020. And I've taken the wisdom of the bees and translated it into business terms like time is honey, honey comes and honey goes, honey saved is honey earned, all the classics. And the idea is to teach kids the wisdom of the bees through this book, and then allow the kids to learn the wisdom of the bees through a regenerative business model that's described by this board game called Bee Box. And this board game teaches kids how to become a beekeeper from the business perspective, which includes decision-making around marketing, sales, operations, HR, finance, admin, and special projects. And the way this game works is you have to keep your bees thriving in the environment, gather as much nectar as possible, convert the nectar into as much honey as possible, and convert the honey into money. And this game teaches people the game of business. And I'm here at Mann Lake because I needed a partner to collaborate with on deploying this project around North America, both in terms of having a way to sell the book, having a way to sell the board game, but more importantly, selling bee business kits, which is a kit that contains all of the equipment necessary to operate a beekeeping business, in addition to the board game and the book, and also software that will run the business and teach the kids how to operate a business in a regenerative way. One of my goals of this project is to create 10,000 beekeepers and create 10,000 business owners. And these are the ideas that I'm sharing with people. Some of the profit that comes from this business game will be used to create pollinator habitat all around the world. And this demonstrates the ideas of a regenerative business system, which teaches skills, creates money, establishes a community, and restores habitat all over the world. I'm Mark Rubin. Thanks for watching this. This is the beginning of Project Honeylight.